Having trouble connecting your Android to Wi-Fi? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll give you a few tips and tricks to fix your Android not connecting to Wi-Fi. Now let's get started. Our first tip is to simply move closer to your Wi-Fi router. If you're in another room or on another floor of your house, you might be too far away from your router, and your Android could be having trouble connecting due to a weak signal. The closer you are to your router, the stronger the signal will be. If this doesn't help, turn your Wi-Fi off on your Android, then switch it back on again. To do this, open your settings and select Connections. Tap Wi-Fi. Then tap the switch at the top right corner to turn it off. Tap the switch again to turn it on, then try to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Next, ensure that you don't have airplane mode enabled, as this could prevent your Android from connecting to any networks. You can easily check this by swiping your finger downwards from the top of your screen to open your Android's control panel. If airplane mode is enabled, just tap the airplane icon to disable it. Still having trouble? Turn your Android off and back on again. You can also try turning your router off and back on again to see if that helps. Many routers will have a power button on the back, or you can just unplug it from the outlet and plug it back in. Wait a couple minutes for it to reset. Then try connecting your Android to your Wi-Fi network again. If that doesn't work, you can try resetting your network settings. Before doing this, make sure you have your Wi-Fi password written down, as you'll need to re-enter the password after doing this. In your settings, select General. Tap Reset. Then scroll down and select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. To confirm, tap Reset Settings. This will clear your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, including all previously saved networks and passwords. Now go back to your Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to your home Wi-Fi. If you've tried all of these tips and your Android still won't connect to Wi-Fi, we'd recommend getting in touch with the device manufacturer's customer support team for assistance. That wraps up all our tips to fix your Android not connecting to Wi-Fi. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.